Are you looking to make serious money through investments in Nigeria? Whether you're a beginner or already in business, this video will show you how to identify and tap into lucrative investment opportunities across real estate, agriculture, fintech, and more, right here in Nigeria. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip on how to fund your investment, even if you don't have much capital. Section 1. Why Nigeria? GDP growth, urbanization, youth population, business reports. Nigeria is Africa's largest economy, with over 200 million people. Rapid urbanization, a youthful population, and digital innovation are driving high-growth opportunities, especially in real estate, agriculture, tech, and logistics. But the key is to invest smartly and legally. Section 2. Top lucrative investment sectors 130. 1. Real estate. Buy land in developing areas, e.g. Ibadan, Akure, Ibeju, Lekki. Build hostels or shortlets, flip properties. Agriculture. Greenhouse farming, poultry, fish farming. Export-focused crops, ginger, sesame. Partner with agritech platforms. 3. Tech and fintech. Angel invest in startups or use platforms like Chaka, RiseVest. Digital products, SaaS for SMEs. 4. Manufacturing. Local production of food, beverages, packaging materials. 5. Education and edtech. Own a school or invest in e-learning solutions. 6. Logistics and transport. Courier business. Haulage, cold chain logistics. Section 3. How to start. Step-by-step strategy. Define your budget and goal, e.g. 5 men with 2-year ROI target. 2. Conduct market research. Talk to agents, visit sites, join forums. 3. Choose your investment model. Direct ownership, partnerships, crowdfunding or mutual funds. 4. Do due diligence. Land verification, business audits. 5. Fund it strategically. Equity, bank loans, grants. Grant, Section 4. Bonus tips 6-8. Use co-investing models with friends or groups. Apply for CBN or BOI intervention funds. Join business communities, LCCI, the Lima. Attend expos and network with real investors. Complete call to action. Visuals. Summary bullets, contact info bar. Lucrative investments are not about luck. They're about strategy, research, and smart execution. If you want a customized plan based on your capital and goals, drop a comment or send an email. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who want to build wealth in Nigeria. Optional add-ons. Include interview clips or testimonials. Use location-based B-rolls, e.g. a PT in Ibadan, Lekki. Show ROI projections or sample deal analysis.